Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite Indochinese restaurant style chili fish recipe. For this recipe, I used tilapia fillets, around 2 pounds tilapia fillets, and then first you need to marinate the fish. I'm adding salt, pepper, chili powder, turmeric powder, and cornstarch, all-purpose flour, and ginger garlic paste, and vinegar. You can marinate, you can mix it very well and marinate for at least 1 hour and keep it in the refrigerator. I forgot to add ginger garlic paste, and now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well and make sure all the fish pieces coated well with all the marination. And after that you can keep it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Heat oil in a frying pan or kadai, and you can fry the fish pieces. So make sure you have to turn the sides and cook well, and you can keep it aside once it's ready. You can actually do this in the oven as well, 400 degree. You can bake it for 15 minutes one side and just cook for another 10 to 12 minutes other side also, or you can do the air fryer as well, and based on your convenience you can do any of the way. Once the fishes are ready, you can remove and keep it aside. Heat oil in a wok, and once its oil is hot, you can add 3 garlic cloves chopped. Fry for at least 1 minute, and then you can add a sliced onion. I added 1 sliced onion, and you can add some green onions as well, the white part of the green onions. Now you can add bell pepper. You can use any color of your choice, like a green, red, yellow. Here I used to mix different colors. Saute well for a few minutes, and then you can add all the sauces and mix it well. All the measurements are given here, and I will definitely put that in my description box also. You can check out the full recipe in the description box. At this point you can add the cornstarch slurry, which is I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with a 1/4 cup of water, mixing with all these vegetables, and just cook for 1 minute. At this point you can adjust all the seasoning and make sure to check before you add the fish. Now I'm going to add the fried fish to the sauce, and you can mix it gently. Once everything mixed together, you can garnish with green onions, and you can enjoy this chili fish with noodles or your favorite rice. So the chili fish is ready. Now I'm going to make chili garlic noodles. So I'm going to serve the chili fish with the chili garlic noodles. Let's see how we are going to make it. So for that, you need to just boil water, add a little salt, a little bit oil, and added a little pinch of baking soda, and added the noodles. Once the noodle is cooked, you can strain the water and keep it aside. So heat oil in a wok. I am adding 2 garlic cloves and just saute for just less than a minute. And then after that you can add julienne carrots. You can use any vegetable you like. If you want, you can add some bell peppers, like green bell peppers or something. Here I'm only using carrots, and then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Then saute for 1 minute. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and then you can stir it well. And then you can add a little bit of vinegar and adjust the salt and all other seasoning, and then you can add the cooked noodles to it and mix it well. Wow, now the chili garlic noodle is ready, and you can serve it along with your chili fish. And I would say you must try this at home, and this is my favorite recipe. I hope you like this video, and I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. And I'll see you soon back with another video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye. Take care.